Welcome to our channel. Before we dive into the detailed review of the EPOMAKER X Aula F75 Gasket mechanical keyboard, remember that the link to purchase this keyboard at a discount is pinned in the first comment below. This 75 wireless hot-swappable gaming keyboard combines a compact layout with premium features tailored for both gamers and productivity enthusiasts. The EPOMAKER X Aula F75 stands out with its innovative 75 compact design, which manages to include all essential keys while saving desk space. Its gasket-mounted structure provides a flexible, yet firm typing experience that reduces fatigue during extended sessions, making it an excellent choice for users who type or game for hours. The keyboard's 5-layer padding system, including layers of Poron foam, IXPE switch pads, and silicone, significantly dampens noise and vibration, creating a quieter and more comfortable environment. Under the hood, the F75 features a precision-engineered 1.2mm PCB and factory pre-lubricated LEOBOG Reaper mechanical switches. This combination ensures smooth, consistent keystrokes with excellent responsiveness. The full-key hot-swappable design allows users to easily customize or replace switches without soldering, a huge plus for enthusiasts looking to tailor their typing feel. Connectivity options are versatile. Bluetooth, 2.4 GHz wireless, and wired USB-C modes cover nearly every usage scenario. The built-in 4,000 mAh battery supports long hours of wireless use, ideal for mobile setups or clutter-free desks. Additionally, the multimedia control knob is a thoughtful inclusion, allowing quick adjustments to volume and media playback without interrupting your workflow. The keyboard also boasts finely tuned stabilizers and durable cherry-profile double-shot PBT keycaps, which resist wear and provide a premium typing surface. On the aesthetics front, the vibrant RGB lighting with 16.8 million colors adds a customizable flair to your setup, enhancing both gaming and work environments. Pros: compact 75 layout balances space-saving with functionality. Innovative gasket mounting and 5-layer padding for comfort and noise reduction. Hot-swappable switches for easy customization. Multiple connectivity modes with a large 4,000 mAh battery. Multimedia knob for convenient control. Durable, high-quality keycaps and stabilizers. Stunning RGB lighting with extensive customization. Cons: the compact layout may have a learning curve for users accustomed to full-size keyboards. Bluetooth latency might be slightly noticeable in competitive gaming compared to wired mode. Premium features come at a mid to high price point overall. The EPOMAKER X Aula F75 Gasket mechanical keyboard is a feature-rich, well-engineered choice for gamers and professionals who want a reliable, quiet, and customizable keyboard in a compact form. Don't forget, the link to grab this keyboard at a discounted price is pinned in the first comment below. Check it out to upgrade your setup today.